Section A 6 marks questions. Explain briefly about Maslow's theory. Explain the causes of hunger and discuss about hunger management techniques. What is creative thinking? Explain the steps in the creative process. Write about PQ4R system. Explain the dimensions in 5-factor model of personality. What are the elements of interpersonal communication? Describe temperance and justice as virtues. Explain the psychological factors influencing personality. What do you mean by positive behavior? Define personality. Explain about components of personality. Define hunger. Write about the causes of hunger. Give suggestions for a group discussion. Explain about self-esteem with examples. Write about the uses of interpersonal skills. Explain about psychological well-being with examples. Define emotion. Explain basic emotions and their emotion message. Write about the significance of effective listening. What is aware technique? Section B 10 marks questions. Explain the steps to improve interpersonal skills. What is values in action project? Describe any two virtues with suitable examples. Explain briefly about verbal and non-verbal communication. Discuss the barriers to effective communication. Define problem solving and explain the steps involved in problem solving. Define personality. Explain about the assessment of personality. Define thinking and explain different types of thinking with examples. Describe the role of positive behavior in life. How can it be enhanced as a skill? Explain the significance of Johari window in understanding the concept of self-awareness. Explain anxiety cycle. Discuss anxiety management techniques. Discuss the guidelines for writing effective emails. Discuss the strategies of study skills. Explain the significance of any two virtues and strengths. Influencing personality. Explain anxiety cycle. Write about the symptoms of anxiety management techniques. Explain the significance of effective speaking with examples. What is digital communication? Write about the guidelines for writing effective emails. What is interpersonal communication? How interpersonal skills can be developed? Explain the process of attending job interviews. What are the different strategies that can be used to nurture creative thinking? Discuss environmental factors that influence personality. Explain different hunger management techniques with examples. How do you make a resume? What are virtues, strengths? Explain about temperance and transcendence with example. Section C 8 marks questions. Explain about self-confidence. What are the factors that deter confidence and enhance confidence? Write about aspects of effective speaking and vocal production. What is self-esteem? Explain the ways of improve self-esteem.